मैं मेरी तरफ इधर देखिए लाइट ना मैम पूछो मैम ये साइड आ जाइए ना पीछे अरे भाई वायर निकाल दो भाई किसका वायर आ रहा है यहाँ पे इसका वायर इसका ये वही बोला निकालेंगे प्रेम बाहर निकल रही है थैंक यू बाइट
How excited are you to be here and what good wishes would you like to give to Pranasi?
I'm so excited. From my side, for Pranasi's best of luck, and I'm going to look forward. Thank you. Thank you.
मैम क्या कुछ चल रहा है
क्या
अपकमिंग क्या कुछ चल रहा है क्या कर रहे हैं आप
अच्छा अपकमिंग कुछ म्यूजिक वीडियोस हैं, कुछ नेटफ्लिक्स की सीरीज़ है, सो इट विल बी कम सून. आई एम वेटिंग.
मुंबई में काफी दिनों बाद बारिश भी हुई है, मौसम बहुत सुहाना है, क्लाइमेट क्या कहना चाहिए?
बहुत ही बेकार मौसम है. सो हॉट. बारिश हो रही है बट नो, इट्स वेरी हॉट नाउअडेज.
Done. Thank you.
ये सो गया तीनों ले लो मैम एक बार एरिंग पे हाथ लगाएंगे
you want touch?
यस सर थैंक यू
Thank you.
This one. Everyone here this corner.
यहाँ पर देखेंगे मैम.
Thank you.
On Krishna and hold.
Thank you so much.
Please tell us about Pranasi as a brand. You're too young to launch a brand and also to the fine jewelry. What do you have to say? You can say.
Yes, yes. I feel so good. I feel so great that finally I have launched my collection, and my collection is inspired from Rajasthan intricate designs. Rajasthan architecture. So I have tried to use the intricate interior of the Taj. Which I'm getting confused. Sorry. Can I start again?
Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm a little confused. Yeah. So yeah. So I've got inspired from Rajasthani architecture. So the intricate work, which has been done on the walls of Jaipur and everything. So that's the reason, I'm getting confused. What exactly is happening?
अब हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों मिक्स कीजिए।
I can say, but I'm getting a little confused again.
आपकी जो ज्वेलरी की जो इंस्पिरेशन है डिजाइन्स वो कैसे आपने सोची कि जयपुर से होनी चाहिए आर्किटेक्चर
नहीं. I'll start again.
या प्लीज स्टार्ट
Relax.
Yeah.
Take your own time.
While you want to add
This piece is totally inspired by the architecture of Jaipur, and what inspired her to make this all was as it has been an array of jewelry going up and running up into our family since ages, and very small age she was very inclusive, to just know about whatever she wants to design or develop in the sense of that, and that inspired her to become one of the designers from a family.
So my inspiration was I got inspired from the Jaipur architecture. So I was really inspired from Mughals, their heritage jewelry and everything. So I thought, why not to come up with the concept of this, because if we talk about Mughals jewelry is inspired from nature, their Mughal paintings and everything. So that was the main thing. I thought, why not to come up with this kind of collection and show something into my pieces. And I really want to thank my mom, because she's been my inspiration, because she literally helped me to go through the crux of the designing, CAD, manufacturing, because this is a really tough job. Because I remember I went to my karigars, I sit back with them, I literally design my all pieces with them. It was such a great experience. So I think, so it was a great experience. However, it really,
diamonds are best friends for women.
Yeah.
How much do you believe in that?
I think so. Everyone, best friend, of course.
Please go on.
Yeah. So yes, diamonds are girls' best friend, as everyone knows, and even I love diamond jewelry a lot. Yeah.
So आप एक कोई जो आपकी कॉकटेल डिजाइन्स हैं कौन सी बॉलीवुड एक्टर के लिए आप चाहेंगे कि वो पहने?
I think so. Like my favorite actress is Deepika Padukone. I feel like that Deepika Padukone will enhance the beauty of my pieces, because if I talk about my pieces are quite intricate, and as I said that it's inspired from the Jaipur architecture. So I believe that Deepika Padukone will be the best model for my pieces.
So आज की जो कलेक्शन है उसके अंदर हमें क्या क्या what is there special which audience would like to know?
So I've created an array of earrings. So when you will see, I have tried to play with the different kinds of necklaces, different kind of earrings. So one of the necklace, it's inspired from the archery, and even there are some of the earrings which are inspired from the nature. Yeah.
Any questions, anyone?
Thank you.
all your marriage shopping.
All my marriage shopping.
Try it out in your ears. Huh?
You want to try?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I just keep my bag here. How is it looking?
So pretty.
Do you have a mirror? I have to give pictures and it will be this is what I want. So before saying yes to a guy, I'm going to say these are the chungas I want. Instead of yes to chungas. No, it's really and Polki is one of my most favorite. Yeah, it's like even personally also I like to wear them more.
And the best part is that you know this is made in 14 kg and it's lightweight.
Yes.
Yeah, it is lightweight.
Yeah, yeah, it is lightweight because the other ones are heavier.
Yeah. Because it's made in 14 kg because of course when it comes to Polki, you know, the jewelry is heavy.
Yeah.
So my main motto was to keep all these pieces in 14 kg so that you know people can come and you know
And also you have the neck piece.
yes, which is and one she's wearing.
Yeah, I saw that. But with these also these
Of course we can create it for you. This is really nice.
I like this. And these all packs look so brilliant, so nice. And I hope we do. We means many more people come and do their wedding shopping from here and otherwise also. This is my personal favorite.
It's all yours.
Thank you.
You want to try that one?
Because of library we used to have, but
I think that one.
Yes, of course. My motto was bringing the collection for the cocktail party. First you need to
Neat, properly.
pin up
We need a hairstylist to do it. Yeah, but it's quite very nice. Very nice. Arun got me to a place and I'm shopping now. Right time. Right time.
yeah, come over now. Any day. पे करते हैं fixing club meet.
थोड़ा सा राइट में मैम
Sufficient time. We'll do it.
थैंक यू मैम या
something which you like now. Which area
So I came here without any jewelry and look what I am wearing. I love the pronouncing designs. It's so beautiful. I feel everyone should try this. Pronouncing. It's okay? So here is another one. Nothing.
One picture of both.
What's it like? I don't know if it's just it, but I hope it's nice. You come this side. Yes. Raise the rocket for you. Yeah, so they're going to record it. Prishita, you made a very nice design. I love it, and I want to say best of luck to you. You are so young, but you are so talented, and I love the jewelry. It's very nice. Name is also very nice. Banasi, it's very nice. So I think I want to request to everyone you should try this. They are very nice designs. It's really sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Really surprised.
You want to become a model now?
Come. You definitely should. Please come with me over to Can I just have Thank you.
Yeah, start.
Hi, so I'm so happy that this is finally happening. I remember speaking to her a few months back, and I finally see the work and I understand why it took so much time. I really love the details and the chungas that I'm wearing. I think this is really great. It's definitely something that I would go for because I love heavier jewelry. Since I generally don't have to wear anything in my neck, so it's great. And I wish to see more. Thank you so much. So I think these ruby with diamonds are something that is a go-to for me, and I really love the intricate details on these pieces. It's something that would go super well with something that's Indo-Western as well as something that's like really traditional. I love how heavy it is as well. I love the heavier side of it, and the Polki jewelry obviously makes it through anything and everything that you wear. So it's really great. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
They're not the real diamonds.
No, these are real diamonds. So Polki is a natural diamond. Yeah, it's uncut and it's unpolished.
Wow,
It's
diamonds.
it's directly coming from the nature. Yeah, it's directly coming from nature. It's unpolished and it's
Putting your own passion into this.
Do pictures.
Yes, of course. तेरा तो तुम ऐसे मत करो। So,
Mom, you also come?
Mom. Yeah, I love. Please.
Come, Sam.
Oh, this side over. On the left.
Sam, come.
Sam, आ जाओ यार.
Come in.
You want to try this one?
This is around.
When can I try this? I never come to the store.
Oh, this collection. Yeah, because this is just a little bit of sneak peek. Because I'm like the main collection is going to launch for fashion. Acha, is it? Yeah. So this is just a little bit of sneak peek. Yeah, very limited. Yeah, very limited. I want
अगर हम देंगे तो छोड़ो ही समझते हैं. I would rather want you guys. Listen, I'm a guy who can be a housewife tomorrow. You're earning more than I am.
We are very selective in our empowerment. Okay.
Convenient.
Selective. ठीक है ना, हमने कहा बोला क्या? कोई तो बात होगी
I
ना.
don't mind here because
बात तो वही होगी कि चीटी क्यों मारी? चीटी क्यों मारी? Empowerment is like that.
चीटी इसलिए मरी क्योंकि चीटी मर गई.
मैं तो अंदर चले जाइए आप भी अंदर जाइए थोड़ा अंदर जाइए ना
नहीं मैं ना
देखो आगे देखो.
और थोड़ा आप जाइए ना अंदर जाइए ना
थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओगे. अब मैं आगे आऊँ.
कौन मिल रहा है कौन नहीं दिख रहा वो बताओ.
ले लो पहले आप ले लो. हाँ आप ले लो.
हमें सिर्फ कैमरे दिख रहे हैं, लेंसेज नहीं दिख रहे, so we don't know.
Hold on.
Give us a nice shout out for the brand. Please touch it.
बहुत बारी आज के बाद अगर अच्छी पिक्चर आएंगी तो वो हंस सकते.
Everyone in this camera here.
Nasi, prepare for it.
Tiki please.
Okay, hold on.
This is खाली वहाँ पे देखो ना ये बहुत ज़्यादा balance 1 second. Sorry.
Yeah. Everyone in this camera here, please here in this camera. Thank you.
Got it? Good. What does Pranasi mean?
वरना हर माँ का बच्चा रिजल्ट होता है लेकिन हमें पता नहीं था कि सच में कहीं ना कहीं तब लेके रहेगी मैं एक बार बता दूँ जब लेके आएगी तब बता दूँ तो पहले का बिल्कुल मत लेके आ तू मैं क्या स्ट्रेस में फालतू में देखो अब उसके बाद मेरा स्ट्रेस लेगा तो I don't know, I have to not about मुझे समझा
हाँ